हॉस्पिटल के आई स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर अवेलेबल, अपनी आंखों का मुफ्त मुआयना करवाइए।
फुटबॉल के लीजेंड लियोनेल मेसी ने उप्पल स्टेडियम हैदराबाद के सबसे फिट चीफ मिनिस्टर और फुटबॉल से मोहब्बत रखने वाले रेवंत रेड्डी और उनके पोते रियांश के साथ ग्राउंड शेयर किया मतलब मेसी ने उनके साथ फुटबॉल खेला। लियोनेल मेसी ने नंबर 10 जर्सी राहुल गांधी और रेवंत रेड्डी को दी है तोहफे के तौर पर।
All the kids with all the officials, especially Revanth Reddy, and not lesser than the Messi, the legend, the GOAT. The ball with him. See the audience cheering up, Messi, Messi. What a fantastic moment it was.
Oh, right. Now comes the most awaited and the diamond moment here. Yeah, the ball with Messi. Oh, the pass was far enough. The pass was far enough to beat the GOAT right there. The ultimate moment for everybody is right here.
A historic exchange between the chief minister and the legend. What a moment it was, Naveen.
And also, more importantly, I'm sure Messi knows that Revanth Reddy has scored a goal against his team, against Messi All-Stars. But yeah, like we all keep reminding ourselves, yes, this is the friendly encounter that's going to happen as Revanth Reddy and everybody going out there and making sure that the fans are thoroughly enjoying this moment. But I'll tell you what, we also need to, highlight the other superstars have also been joining in with the legend, with GOAT India tour that's happening as well. So thanks to them. But more importantly, the sport is going to grow from here. Everybody will take a lot of inspiration from Leo. Everybody will make sure that they will go out there and try and at least have that physical fitness. Is that the goal? Oh, yes it is! The coach right there wanted to save that one. What's his name? We spoke to him right there.
Mr. Vinod.
Mr. Vinod wanted to stop a goal that was coming in from the GOAT, but the ball won it. The goalpost was beaten. Come on, Mr. Vinod. Can't be stopping the GOAT's goal. Yeah, come on.
They are exchanging the passes. The pace is hitting up the roof of the stadium.
No doubt. The adrenaline rush, the excitement as that are straight shot. Yes, it is. The units, the audio. Wow. Who is that little superstar next to the Chief Minister of Telangana himself? Does he realize that he's standing next to the Chief Minister? I don't think so. He's passed the ball to Messi. What an occasion here it is. This is not promoting Gen Z's football dreams. It is also promoting Gen Alpha's football dream. He's a Gen Alpha standing right there to Mr. Revanth Reddy himself. He's a Gen Alpha lad. Did he even realize what he's doing? There he goes with another kick. It's a strong one.
For sure, this kid will definitely keep this memory alive for his lifetime, Naveen.
No doubt at all. His parents will be so proud. His parents will be so happy with these moments. They will go out there and say a lot of stories. They will actually, I'm so happy that they will fund his dreams. That's really important because, yeah, I keep saying play sport, but I'll tell you what, playing any kind of sport, of course, has a little bit of monetary funding that needed from the parents and everybody. Yeah, so I guess that lad is definitely got his dad to sign his coaching classes for sure in football.
That should happen. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium glowing under the floodlights. The usual cricket pitch is gone, replaced by a pristine green football turf. The stands are packed with almost 55,000 people holding flashlights and everything we can witness here. The happiness on the faces of these footballers here, the young talents. We can see the group pic.
Yeah, totally. I'm so overwhelmed here because the GOAT himself right here. That's so nice. That is so nice to see. Like a fan, he goes out there, shares the ground with him, and look at this gratitude, look at this gesture from Revanth Reddy as well. He's not donning the limelight. అంటే మేము తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే మీ సీఎం గారు మరి ఇక్కడ వచ్చి వాళ్ళు హీఈస్ నాట్ గ్రీటింగ్ ద క్రౌడ్ అన్నమాట కదా. హీఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ Leo to go forward. That's so nice from Revanth Reddy, the CM himself.
That is what he's so humble. Hyderabad, take a bow. You have hosted royalty tonight. Lionel Messi has conquered the Deccan. Wow. Once again.
Yeah, and look at the gratitude being exchanged by Messi. He says, Revanth Reddy ji, you go kick and give it to the crowd. So that is what sport brings to us. See, Revanth Reddy threw the ball to Leo. He said, you kick to the crowd. But then Leo said, no, it's okay. It's all fine. We're all friends here. As he gave the ball back to the CM and he kicked it. So that is where sport unites everybody. And that's why we always say, play some kind of sports. It teaches you a lot in life. It teaches you to be humble. It teaches you to be connected to people. It teaches you to be more warm, welcoming. It teaches you to stay grounded. And, of course, it teaches you to be psychologically fit in whatever you do.
Sunglasses 99 onwards. Any number glasses from 250 onwards. Contact lenses any color rupees 99 onwards. जो हजरात 60 साल की उम्र से ज्यादा है, हज और उम्रा जाना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री नंबर ग्लासेस, फ्री होम डिलीवरी और फ्री आई चेकअप। न्यू रिलाइट ऑप्टिकल, तालाब कट्टा, मेन रोड, अपोजिट टू बाबा बहाउद्दीन दरगाह। मोबाइल 9848392127।